Guys, I hear noises, and I'm in here alone. I had a bowl of soup left over from yesterday. Do you hear that noise? Wait a minute. Well, I'm going out there. Let's see what's out there. Because there's a whole lot of noise. I am so exhausted. Let me show you something before I get out there. I am so exhausted from a long day. Okay, long day. I can't even focus on anything. But I got from Amazon today all this. There's my Bella. And I got all this. Okay. Yeah. It's just sitting there. At least I could do is kick it. Well, anyway. There's some loud noises out there, and I'm going to go see if any leaves are covering the whatchamacallit. I can't even think today. You know, I was working in the middle of a parking lot, okay? And I told you that. It seems like there's a hurricane out there. And you can't find stuff fast enough. You know what? This is a good experience. If in SHTF situation you have to run, where do you start? I learned from you YouTubers to always have an emergency bag. Or 2. Or 3. Can't take the whole house with you. I think the most important thing is your documents, some clothing, and food. Okay? You know what? You want to know a secret? I have long-term food stored in suitcases. I don't have to drag them out of here. I just have to drive and go get it. But just so you know, okay, in case you do have to run out. Wow. Let's see what's going on out there. Guys, I got to go out there. Because, you know, I'm the only one that cleans stuff in this little 4-apartment little building here. And if I don't do it, nobody does it. So I have to check because I live on the lower level. And I don't want... Oh my goodness. God, you gotta do... Hold up. I want this... Hold up. Nobody... Oh, Jesus. Is it safe? Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to do some sweeping out here again. You know, this drives me crazy. This drives me crazy. Nobody just cares. Nobody cares. Well, you know what? I'll smoke a cigarette while I'm out here. I don't smoke in the house. My nerves are on edge today. But I'm fine. I'm fine. Sorry about the camera, guys. Sorry about the camera, guys. But you know what? Sidewalk level is up here, okay? I have 1, 2, 3, and then ground. It's lightning out there. So let me just sweep this really quick here. All I get anything is by y'all. Quickly. I didn't hear the weather saying anything about no rain today or anything like that. Nobody cares. If I don't do it, nobody does it. Nobody cares. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm never color coordinated. This is just me, okay? I'm just as plain and simple as can be, okay? I'm very plain and simple. Sorry, guys. Look at that lightning. Let me hurry up with this here. All these leaves. And they leave the doors open. The gates. The gates. They're heavy gates. They leave it open. This one here. I don't want to get flooded. I have to do on rainy, thundering days. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen when I decide to disappear. Or my van gets ready and I be out. I guess it'll be my daughter to do it. I don't know. I won't be here to deal with this mess. Sorry guys, I don't want to give my back towards you. With the thunder. There. Ooh. Oh, it's cold. I like how they chop those trees down. There you go. That's good. Now. Okay, guys. That's good enough. Think that's good enough, guys? There. I heard this thing turn on. It goes boom from inside. And that's why I knew that water was coming down here. But thank God it never went past my door. So guys, here you see. If I don't do it, nobody cares.